Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gear hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the Adata Legend 970 SSD, the latest PCIe 5.0 offering from Adata. Let's see if this drive lives up to the hype. The Adata Legend 970 SSD is here, boasting impressive PCIe 5.0 bandwidth and promising lightning-fast performance. But does it deliver? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about performance. The Legend 970 offers up to 10 GB per second of sequential read and write speeds, making it one of the fastest drives on the market. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or crunching numbers, this SSD can handle it all with ease. With its direct storage optimization, this drive is ready to take full advantage of the latest gaming technologies, ensuring smooth, lag-free gameplay. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The Legend 970 does have its drawbacks. One of the major cons is its poor power efficiency, which can be a concern for some users. Additionally, the inclusion of an active cooling fan may seem unnecessary to some, adding to the overall cost of the drive. However, despite these drawbacks, the Adata Legend 970 still manages to impress with its strong performance and direct storage optimization. Now, let's talk about pricing and warranty. The Legend 970 comes with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for your investment. However, with prices starting at $169.99 for the 1TB model and $299.99 for the 2TB model, it's definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum. But if you can snag one on sale, it's worth considering for its performance alone. In conclusion, the Adata Legend 970 SSD may not break the mold, but it's still a formidable contender in the PCIe 5.0 SSD market. With blazing fast speeds, direct storage optimization, and a solid warranty, it's worth a closer look. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on all the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy gaming!